How to change USDT to TRX on Trust Wallet. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Trust Wallet. Enter your login credentials as your passcode or the Face ID and simply log into your account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. In this page at the bottom, head over to the option Swap. Now what you want to do is, in the From section, you have to select USDT token. But you can see this token is not available. Likewise, if you search for TRX, this token is also not available, which means that we won't be able to change from this app itself. In order to do so, head over to browser at the bottom right corner, and in the search bar, search for Pancake Exchange and then move into it. It will land you on this page. In the To section, you have to select USDT, and in the From section, select TRX. Once you have selected, enter the amount that you want to change. Once the amount has been fixed, you need to click on Swap at the bottom, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can change USDT to TRX on Trust Wallet. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.